Take a moment to read the question. So we have the greatest integer function and we have to find out the value of this definite integral. How do we do this question? Notice that we are integrating the greatest integer of x squared from 0 to 1.7. So that's not an ordinary bracket over here. How do we do this question? Well, the integral can be written down like this. Now we have to see that from 0 to 1.7, where does the greatest integer function change? Now the greatest integer function changes whenever the argument is an integer. So we have to see when x squared will become an integer. Now x squared will become an integer when x is equal to root 2, because we know that root 2 the square is equal to 2. Therefore we can break it down into three parts like this. The first part is integrating from 0 to 1, and over here the greatest integer of x squared will be equal to 0. The second part is integrating from 1 to the square root of 2. Over here the greatest integer function gives us 1. And finally from root 2 to 1.7, where the greatest integer function gives us 2. Now we can evaluate each of these and get the answer. So the first one is 0, the second one is root 2 minus 1, and the third one is 2 times 1.7 minus the square root of 2, which can be written down like this and simplified to give 2.4 minus the square root of 2. So the correct answer is option B.